Hello and welcome to another 5-minute flower video. My name is Carla Jodwin and today we're drawing an aster bloom, which happens to be the birth flower of September. Let's start by drawing the center of the flower, beginning with a slightly curved line made up of diamond shapes, extending upwards. Make sure the tips of your small shapes are pointed. Keep layering in these shapes until you've created a full circular shape. This is the center of our flower. Now we can start adding in some long petals around the center. I'm drawing New England Aster, which grows around me. This type of aster has a single layer of petals and they can range in number and thickness and shape, so you don't need to be too particular while drawing them. The top petals are going to be longer with a curved tip. As I make my way toward the front of the flower, or the petals on the near side, I'm going to try to make them shorter and slightly wider to help create that depth, and make it look like the bloom is facing slightly away from us. Add in a few petals here and there if you want to fill in some of the more sparse areas. Next, I'm going to add in a small flower that hasn't opened yet, starting in a similar way to how we started the stamen of the first flower, with small diamond shapes layered in together. Then draw some long petals extending upwards to create an oval shape. Now we can start adding some small sections of stem, as well as a few leaves. I'm going to make the stems with 2 parallel lines close together and have them connect a bit below the first bloom. Add in a few leaves, keeping them long with a pointed tip. The outline is done, so now we need to make this drawing pop off the page with a few detail lines. I'm going to add some quick light lines to the base of each petal or where it meets the stamen, as well as around the base of the small bloom to create the shadow. Don't overdo your lines here, and keep your touch really light so they appear slightly thinner than the outline lines. Let's add some really simple lines to the leaves, also keeping them really light, just running down the length on an angle, nothing fancy. And with those final strokes, we are done another 5-minute flower. For more flower drawing inspiration and tutorials, be sure to check out my Patreon page, and until next time, bye-bye.